This video tutorial I will explain copyOf method of arrays class which accept int array and the new length. Here I have defined the class arrays demo. Here I have defined the int array 1. It has 4 int values. Then I am displaying the int array 1 content. Then I am calling copyOf method of arrays class and passing int array 1 and length as 3. This method returns a copy of int array 1 with the length 3. Then I am displaying the int array 2 content, which is a copy of int array 1 with the length 3. Here you can see the output. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.